Space is vast, mysterious, and sometimes a little too close for comfort. Have you ever wondered how many times Earth has narrowly escaped being hit by asteroids? Today we'll explore some of the close calls from space that could have changed life on our planet forever. First up, let's talk about a recent close call. The 2024 Owen asteroid, a massive rock measuring between 220 and 480 meters, is classified as potentially hazardous. It's expected to pass by Earth at a distance of 1 million kilometers, about 620,000 miles away. In astronomical terms, that's uncomfortably close. And while there's no immediate threat, NASA continues to monitor it closely. Why? Because even a slight change in its orbit could have devastating consequences for our planet. In fact, Earth has experienced asteroid impacts before. Back in 2013, an asteroid roughly the size of a small building exploded in the skies over Chelyabinsk, Russia. The explosion damaged buildings and injured nearly 1,500 people, despite the asteroid disintegrating before hitting the ground. Incidents like these remind us that space rocks aren't just ancient history. They're a modern-day concern. So how often do we face these threats from space? Well, according to NASA, every 2,000 years, an asteroid about the size of an American football field strikes Earth. But most of the time, we don't even notice the smaller ones. Believe it or not, over 100 tons of sand-sized meteoroids hit Earth's atmosphere every single day. They mostly burn up and create those beautiful shooting stars we see in the night sky. But what's the difference between a meteoroid, a meteor, and a meteorite? Let's break it down. A meteoroid is a small particle from a comet or asteroid floating in space. When a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere and vaporizes, it creates a bright streak of light known as a meteor, or as we call it, a shooting star. If a piece of it survives the journey and lands on Earth's surface, it's called a meteorite. Now let's talk about the big guys, asteroids and comets. Asteroids are small rocky bodies orbiting the Sun, and some pass alarmingly close to Earth. NASA tracks these near-Earth objects, NEOs, to monitor any potential threats. On average, an asteroid the size of a car enters Earth's atmosphere once a year, but thankfully, they usually burn up before reaching the ground. What about comets? These are relatively small objects whose ice can vaporize in sunlight. They have the particularity of forming an atmosphere of dust and gas, and sometimes a tail made of dust and or gas can be spotted. Just how close have we come to a catastrophic impact? Here are some noteworthy examples. In April 2018, asteroid 2018 GE3, measuring between 46 and 100 meters, passed by Earth. If it had hit, it could have caused massive damage. And back in 2017, an asteroid called 2017 EA, about 1 to 5 meters in size, was only detected 6 hours before its closest approach. We can't forget the 2013 Chelyabinsk event. A massive fireball exploded over Russia, causing widespread damage. It was the second largest fireball in 30 years. This incident highlights that even smaller asteroids can pack a punch. As we look to the future, asteroids like 2024 Owen will continue to be monitored. The good news: NASA's ongoing efforts to track near-Earth objects provide us with early warnings. But we can't let our guard down. Space is unpredictable, and as history has shown us, even a seemingly harmless rock can have major consequences. So, while we may have dodged a few space bullets, the next close call could be right around the corner. The universe may be vast, but sometimes it feels a little too close for comfort. Want to stay updated on all things space? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell for notifications. Stay curious, stay safe, and remember, space is always watching.